Hi there, I'm Brandon, lead consultant of Empathy Solutions. We are an Infusionsoft certified partner based in Singapore, and we're here to bring to you automation campaign for event registration and follow-up. So going to the marketplace, you can see actually a lot of useful campaigns that you can build on. Today we're going to look at the events campaigns. There's a couple of them there, right? And what we really want is the event registration and follow-up campaign. Okay, what we do is that we will open up the campaign to look at what is available. And here we can see that the lead sources will drive the traffic to a landing page that is indicated by this white polka dot thingy, and then that will launch the event reminder sequence. Now the event landing page is actually hosted with Infusionsoft, and that's one option when you want to create a landing page very quickly. As you can see here, there are some fields for us to replace, right? And let's do that right now. And this workshop, let's say we give him the name of work less, get more done workshop. Okay. On the 26th of July 2015 at Grand Park Hotel. Alright. And to edit this event benefit, alright, from this event you can work less while getting more done. Maybe live the life you want, and for let's say take more holidays. And notice that the snippet here we're editing is actually a spotlight element, and that is actually an image and a text. You can actually expand the image so that you get a more balanced column, or you can replace this with other bullets that you find useful. The other thing you can amend is actually this table here, where you actually have the subscription of the first name and email in order to receive the seat. In this case, we just like the first name, okay, and the email, right? We would like also maybe in case we probably need a department. Okay, maybe which department are they from? Okay, and this might be a good idea to have it as a drop-down menu. Maybe this is the HR department, the finance department, from the IT department, and the operations department, right? And save. And perhaps we would like to have some comments from the participants to ask about what would they like to know about the seminar. So there is a very nifty little function here that is append to person notes, and if you use this, whatever that they type here is actually included and added on to the person notes. So what would you like to learn? Alright, so whatever that is being typed into this area would then be added to the person's notes. So that's really something very useful if you want to get some other non-quantitative data. And then that will launch the event sequence, where the tag immediately after registration is an event registered tag, and a confirmation that they are going to the right place. You will notice here that they are actually using merge fields in order to communicate to their customers. So each merge field will be extracted from the campaign merge field, which I'm going to show you a bit later on. And they're using an exact date timer, so so the event will happen on the 26th of oops. Okay, so let's try the 26th of July. 26th of July, and the event is on 26th July, so we should set a reminder one day before the 25th instead. So the reminder then will be sent out. Hey, thank you for RSVPing for. So this is where you can include the campaign merge field. Seems to be missing here, and just great that we can take a look at this. I want to include the event name, right? So thanks for RSVPing for the event name, and I wanted to give you a quick reminder that this is the date and location. So this is a very useful reminder so that they can turn up for the event. And this is where you change the event campaign merge fields. So if the event is on the 26th of July 2015, location is at Grand Park Hotel, and lastly the event name is Work Less, Get More Than Workshop. Okay, so that's about sort out the pre-event sequence. Now, before we get into the post-event sequence, let's just do a high-level planning before we get into the details. So what we want to do is to send them a survey question immediately after the event, and how we're going to trigger that is by using a tag. So after the event, we'll generate out the list of people who have the tag event registered, and check who is actually absent and not absent, and we'll just select those who were attended. Okay, and for the attended ones, we will send the feedback sequence. So this is the first mail to get feedback. Okay, and in the feedback, perhaps to also invite them to like your page, or even to maybe offer them a very good deal on your books, and so on and so forth. And after 1 month, you'd like to just check back with them to see how they're progressing along with their use of the techniques that you have taught them. So check back, right? That is the participant post follow-up. And it's also in this sequence to also look at maybe a follow-up sequence for those who have been absent. So we might want to look at what to do with the people who are absent, and send them a sequence that we want to build upon. Maybe some event photos, and subsequently to follow up with them to see if they are interested to see any of the stuff that you have done for the previous group in a PowerPoint or a podcast. So that's about it. A simple campaign for post-event, during event registration, pre-event reminders, post-event actions. So that's okay. So attended. That's why you have to really label your icons, right? So you otherwise you will forget. So this is the send feedback. Yeah, and this is the please attend the next one sequence. Okay, until we have more here, that's about it. You have to build. In the next session, I will go on to enhance this campaign.